Hi, myself Saurabh Patil. In today's online session, we will find out the solution for IP address not been assigned under bridge mode in VMware. How many modes we have in the Linux in VMware? We can just go to the VMware settings and go to the network adapter. Before we start or power on the virtual machine, we find that in network adapter we have multiple options. Bridge mode, which indicates that it will take the IP address of a host computer assigning device. Suppose your host computer is getting a IP address from Wi-Fi adapter, so same adapter will assign a IP address to our virtual machine Kali Linux. If you tick a replicate physical network connection state, if the host computer switches from a Wi-Fi network to a hotspot, immediately the VMware machine also will replicate that state and gain an IP address from your hotspot. For that we can tick a replicate. If you are having a NAT mode, it will create a network inside your host computer where the IP address is accessible only inside the VMware or virtual environment. It won't be accessible on the outside host computer network. Host only when you want to create a private network and get connected only to the another host computer or another VMware computer, we can use a host only network. And also you can have a custom and a LAN segment. Many times people face a problem where they are not able to get the IP address. What happens when they hit a ifconfig? They over here they won't get a inet address. They might get a IPv6 version IP address, or sometimes both IP address are not allocated. These two lines are not there. They directly have a MAC address over there. But it indicates that they are not getting the IP address from the host computer adapter. So how to solve this problem? I will tell the solution to the students who face this problem of not getting an IP address in IPv4 version or IPv6 version. So what steps they have to do? Let's start. You can just power off your virtual machine. You can see that there is no IP address assigned to your VMware. You can minimize it. You can just go to the control panel and understand the network status, network and internet, and then go to the change adapter settings. In adapter settings, you can see that there are multiple adapters. This is the Bluetooth adapter of your laptop, Ethernet, that is the wired connection, Wi-Fi to which the Wi-Fi adapter to which your host computer is connected, and you have installed VMware. So VMware creates the virtual adapters VMNet 1 and VMNet 8. These two adapters are for host to network and for NAT connection. But for bridge mode, you need to have an adapter called as VMNet 0. So what you can do, you can go and enable that VMNet 0 and connect it to your host computer adapter. How to do that? Just go to the C files, C drive, go to the program files where VMware is installed, get your VMware workstation, and just find for a file called as vmnetcfg. vmnetcfg. After going to this file, just right click and run as administrator. Okay, it will execute. In this mode, when you run it as administrator, then only you will be able to see the VMNet 0. I told you now, VMNet 0 is for bridge connection, VMNet 1 is for host only, and VMNet 8 is for NAT connection. Now over here, VMNet bridging is auto bridging. It will automatically, you select the VMNet 0, you can see the bridge to automatic, whatever host computer is getting the IP address from. It might get the IP address from wired network or a Wi-Fi adapter. So you can select, the machine can select automatically. But in your case, you are not getting IP address, indicates that the machine or VMware is not automatically getting the IP address from your Wi-Fi adapter or your wired adapter. So what you have to do, you have to do it manually. Your external connection has to be done manually. So just go over here and select your wireless LAN adapter. Okay, in every cases it might be different. Somewhere will be a company Realtek, sometime it will be Intel, but there will be a word called wireless adapter. If your laptop is getting a connection from Wi-Fi adapter, then only. If your machine is getting a connection from wired network, you can select the Realtek GBE family controller, PCA family controller. If you're getting it from the Wi-Fi NIC card, network interface card, you can just select that. You can select it and just apply and OK. That's it. Now we have forcefully made a configuration setting in such a way that VMNet 0 should get an IP address from wireless LAN card adapter of host computer. So it will, whenever you start the VMware, now when we go to the network adapter, we go to the bridge network and we can do that. One more thing that you have to do is just click on this, because sometimes your network adapter might not get IP because pre-configured network adapter is there. What you can do, another solution, first thing that we have to do is go to the VMnet CFG file and assign the wireless adapter setting so that it can directly take a IP address from them. Second setting, what you can do, whenever you start the VMware, before power on the machine, go to the network adapter, double click on it, just select the network adapter and remove it, and then add network adapter. That indicates that you removed the previous network adapter and you inserted a new network adapter into the computer. That's it. Like we say that this is a faulty network adapter. You removed it and you configured a new network adapter. It is like that way. Okay, and I selected a bridge mode. Now when I power on the machine, you can just check ifconfig if you are getting an IP address or not. If you are not getting an IP address, you can again hit one simple command which will forcefully go and get the IP address from the connected adapter. How to do that? Let's see. Machine has been turned on. Goes to the terminal. When I hit ifconfig, you will get the IP address in both IP version 6 and IP version 4 and IP version 6. If you are not getting IP address still after doing this step, just wait and hit dhclient command. What this will do, this will force your network adapter to go and run a DHCP config file and get the IP address from the VMnet 0. You complete this command, you can just again hit ifconfig and your machine might get a IP address. Okay, these are the simple steps that you have to do. There are two things that you have to do. You have to go and change a VMnet config file. What is the location of VMnet config file? This is a location for it. A C drive program files VMware under VMware Workstation. We have to go to this file and ensure that you open this file under the administrator privileges. Then only VMnet 0 will be enabled to you, otherwise no, or visible to you, otherwise no. Second change is what you can do. You can just before starting on the VM machine, just ensure that you remove the adapter and you add adapter again and select the bridge mode. These are the simple steps that you have to do and your problem will get solved. Hope the people facing a problem with the IP address and a bridge adapter get solved by viewing this video. If you understood it, just hit a like button. Otherwise, you can comment if you are still facing the errors. Thank you very much.